You don't have to be a social media expert or work 10 hours a day to actually build up an income online. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 different pieces that finally made me realize that everything makes sense. It's a formula that I wish that someone had explained for me a couple of years ago. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which piece is missing in your life. And more important, how you can fix it, starting creating consistent results online. Before we start, I want to give you something. If you want to see how the whole system fits together, you can grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description down below. It's free, and after you read it, you can take an educated decision if this system is for you too. It shows you step by step how you can get these 3 pieces: product, traffic, and automation. Okay, let me be real. There is a lot of noise online. You watch one video, then another one, and everything says different. But the main thing that I have figured out is all the gurus out there, they tell you to do so many things, but the problem is they have unlimited energy and we don't. We had to be very restricted with our spoons, right? And honestly, it's confusing. And the thing is, confusion kills momentum. That was me. I tried everything. I jumped between programs. I spent hours studying strategies, how to do it, and I still just, boom, right into the wall. My energy just ran out. It was exhausting. It wasn't the fact that I wasn't good enough. Absolutely not, because I worked hard. But the thing is, I worked on the wrong pieces. I didn't know what matters. I didn't know how to get the system to work for me instead of the other way around. Then I realized it all came down to 3 things, 3 pieces. It was product, it was traffic, and it was automation. Once I understood how these 3 work together, the overwhelm disappeared and things finally started to click in place. So let's look at number 1, the right product, in demand and aligned. You need a product that people already want and one that's in demand and is aligned with you. Here's the thing. If I try to sell cassette tapes, from the 80s, if I try to sell that every single day, it wouldn't matter how hard I worked. No one is looking or listening to cassette tapes anymore. There's simply no demand. But imagine if there was a product that actually helped, for instance, parents with their busy lives, or like for us, I help people with chronic pain to figure out an automated system so they can start their online journey, so they can go for time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. That's a demand. Still, if we were trying to sell a product that didn't align with me or didn't align with my ideal client, my message wouldn't connect. That's the key, alignment. You need a product that solves a problem and that people can relate to. You need to show people that you have been there, you understand this issue personally. You see, people, they buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. And for most people who are new in this business, digital product is the absolute best way to go ahead. No shipping, no inventory, high profits, and it's a simple business model. The way I see it, there are 2 ways to start this. 1, you can go into affiliate marketing. You promote already existed digital products that you use yourself, but not necessarily have created yourself. You promote them, you sell them, and you earn a commission. It's real, but it doesn't make you a lot of money. So I wouldn't have it as a main income stream. I would gladly have it as a side gig. And number 2, done for you digital systems. That's what I started. You see, it taught me digital marketing. It taught me traffic. It taught me automation, how to build an email list. It told me everything I needed to know to start my online business. And it's not a course, because in my opinion, a course is something you buy and then you are on your own. You need to go through the videos, but you are on your own. This done for you system, it's a program. It's an interactive program. We have community, we have live calls, we have webinars, we have so much support. So I usually say that, yes, it's your own business, but you are never alone. So I was learning and earning at the same time. I was learning, I was implemented, and I was earning. So if you're curious of what a done for you path could do for you, my Freedom Formula blueprint is down in the description down below. Grab it and see what you think. Then we come into piece number 2, traffic. Traffic isn't about posting everywhere all the time, right? Like I said before, there are gurus out there who tells you that you need to be seen everywhere on every single platform all the time. And once again, it's easy for them to say they have unlimited energy. But for us with limited energy, we need to be a little bit more careful about where we post, right? It's about connecting your product with the right people who's already looking for it. They have a problem and they need a solution, and you have it. You just need to show them. I used to think that traffic means posting more and more and more. I was pretty much married to my phone, but it actually means posting with a purpose, intentionally creating content that gets found by the right audience, not anyone. It's not the volume. It's about finding the right people for your content. And that's why I love YouTube. It's not just another platform. It's a search engine. People go to YouTube to learn stuff. They search for stuff. People are already searching for how to make money online or how to earn income from home. And the way I see it, when I reach out to YouTube, to my people, the spoonies, they can find my content and I can help them. And it's evergreen. That means that your videos that you are posting, they come out today, for instance, but they can be seen like for months, even years after you have posted it. If you go on the other social media platforms, it's like gone in a few days. That's how I build a steady, long-term business without being glued to my phone. And not only that, because you create your videos, you show yourself on YouTube, and after a while, you get monetized. So every time you post a video on YouTube and they watch it, you get monetized. Perfect. 2 incomes on one thing. And that leads me to number 3, automation. My freedom machine. Automation is where the freedom actually begins. Automation is what gives you your freedom back. When I first started, everything relied on me. Every reply, every follow-up, every conversation, every email, posting all the freebies. I wasn't building an online business. I was building another job for myself. Now, automation does all the heavy lifting. It all starts with a simple freebie, like my Freedom Formula Blueprint, for instance. When someone downloads it, they leave their email address, and that goes into my system. I use system.io. It's a perfect system for us spoonies. When it's in the system, automation sends out email sequences to your leads, to the ones who are interested in what you are doing. You don't have to do a single thing about that one. It runs on automation. You see, these emails does the teaching and explaining automatically, clearly and consistently. Even when I'm asleep or I'm sitting right now and sipping on an iced tea here on Bali. Anyone who are still curious after they get their email can simply reply to it and ask their questions. And then I can nurture the communication. I get back to them and we are answering the questions. Another good tip when it comes to answering the questions, I have actually created a simple document like Google Doc where I put all the questions, all the frequently asked questions I get. And you can have that also in your automation. So people get the answers on their questions immediately. That's why I call it my freedom machine, because it runs even when I step away. Picture this. My life here on Bali, I live here 6 months a year, escaping from the cold Sweden. And then I go back to Sweden. I stay there 6 months during summertime. But while I'm here strolling on the beach, suddenly my phone's buzz. Well, ding, someone bought my product and I get paid for strolling on the beach. That's kind of amazing. New sales, new beginnings. I can help new people to start their dream life. I can live with that. That's the power of automation. You can start living your life, not just being alive. So when we combine an in-demand product that aligns with you, purposeful traffic, and smart automation, you don't just have an online business. You have a complete freedom machine. Gets you to your goals with time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. If you would love to see how it actually works, download the Freedom Formula Blueprint down below. It takes you step by step how you can proceed your journey towards the freedoms. I know how confusing all this can feel, especially when you're starting over in life or living with chronic pain. But once you understand these three pieces, product, traffic, and automation, everything becomes clearer. And now I sit here on Bali 6 months and in Sweden 6 months. It's all about freedoms. Freedom to choose your hours, your environment, your location, and your peace of mind. So go grab your Freedom Formula Blueprint down below. Explore the steps and start creating your own version of calm, sustainable income. And while you're at it, grab the link for my free community inside of school. It's called Profit and Peace. And it's all about being together with people who get you, who understands your struggles, who understands your needs and your limited energy, but we all strive for the same freedoms all together, right? So YouTube picked the perfect next video for you. Watch it and do let me know in the comments what's most important for you. Is it time freedom, location freedom, or financial freedom? Till we meet again, toodaloo.